Hey guys, what's going on? It's Curt Yowell from Storm Spotter Curt Yowell here. Hey, I've just got a huge thunderhead coming up out of, I want to say that's Grand County, and it's going to hit me to the north. It's going to hit me and everything just to the north of my location. And with that comes a separate cell just outside of Bailey, and that cell has half-inch hail moving northeast at 2.2 miles an hour, northeast at 2 knots. I'm going to keep an eye on this, see if anything develops. So we are really getting into the flow of things as we are watching the radar here, and it looks like it's going to pass. Just looks like the current forecast track has it passing just to my south. Now that could change as confidence builds, but we're just going to have to keep an eye out for it and wait and see. There is some broad scale rotation with these cells, and these cells seem to be inflow dominant, which makes it a prime conditions for large hail, damaging winds, and isolated wind damage up to 50 miles an hour. Isolated wind gusts to 50 miles an hour. So I'm going to keep the live stream going here. And we are going to be just about in the path of this little hail core if things start to manifest themselves. Wait for the next update. Just let me just show you what we got going on here. Let me find my weather folder. So there's where is it? Right there. Don't know if you guys can see that with the glare, but there's the hail core, and there's my current location. So it's really starting to organize here, guys. The hail core looks to be heading due west to Castle Rock. So it looks like it's going to miss me entirely, but we can't be too sure. Still showing northeast at 2 knots. Now we have a second hail feature just off to the west of that, and it really does look like, guys, that we could be in for some action here. So it looks like, all right, east-northeast at 4 knots. So it looks like confidence is waning a little bit. And there's the other hail core. Let me check on that. That also says hail sizes of 1/2 inch. So we're just going to have to wait and see. Just watch and wait and hope we're not as good as hailed on. But it looks to me, guys, like we could be getting some hail here before too long. So we're just going to have to, like I said, wait and see. Light rain starting in 15 minutes. Thank you, my radar. All right, so it's cell X-ray 0 at 1535. Hail size 1/2 inch, east-northeast at 4 knots, which that puts it pretty much right in my crosshairs. Dang it. So we're just gonna have to wait and see how this develops. Right now, points of interest are Roxborough Park, Ken Carroll, Southern Lakewood. What is that? Morrison, extreme eastern Denver, or extreme western Denver, I'm sorry. And then Lakewood, Wheat Ridge, Arvada, Boulder, all those points are potentially in the path. Now, as this storm strengthens, I'm noticing an increase in hail size. It just got bumped up to 3/4 of an inch. So we're just going to have to watch and wait and keep tracking it, because based on the velocity signature of this storm, this cell could change direction yet again, and again be heading straight for me, because right now it's heading straight east. And rain is approaching mom and dad and expected in the next 30 minutes, and current location expected in the next 30 minutes. So we're just going to have to wait and see. So let me just go back over here. Let me just go back over here to the radar signature. And see what we got going here. Still saying eastward motion at 6 knots. But I know how fast things can change in Colorado. That was for cell X-ray 0. And as far as cell Papa 1, north-northeast at 4 knots with a hail size of ½ inch. I think I'm gonna go over here and make my bed real quick. Just waiting for the radar to update. Yeah, guys and gals, it looks like we could have us a storm. Looks like we could have us a storm to chase. Shoot. Let me jump back here in the captain's seat and see what we got going on here. Cell X0 east at 9 knots. And then cell P1 did a whole 180-degree turn and is now south at 8 knots. So we're really going to have to watch this. All right. So let me get that up there.
Of smoke through the day. A 20% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly. an hour. Greeley fair in 97. The wind was southeast at 8. Elsewhere in Colorado, Monument Hill fair in 84. The wind was south at 18. Colorado Springs fair in 89. The wind was southeast at 16, gusting to 24. Akron fair in 94. The wind was southeast at 17, gusting to 28. Lyman fair in 90. The wind was southeast at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 29. At Estes Park, it was 81 degrees.
Yeah, guys, I just looked out my window and we got storms coming.
Grand Junction fair in 93. Some other observations: Cheyenne fair in 91. North Platte fair in 93. The wind was out at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 26. Woodland fair in 91. The wind was out at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 28. Again, Denver International Airport was 94 degrees under fair skies. Here is the forecast for Boulder and the western Denver suburbs. Tonight, mostly clear. Areas of smoke. Lows near 60. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Areas of smoke through the day. A 30% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower to mid-90s. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light. Chance of precipitation 50%. Thursday, thunderstorms likely. Highs near 80. Chance of thunderstorms 70%. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-50s. Here is the forecast for Denver. Tonight, mostly clear. Areas of smoke through the night. Lows in the lower to mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Areas of smoke through the day. A 20% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-90s. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, shifting to the northwest after midnight. Chance of thunderstorms 40%. Thursday, showers likely and chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Here is the extended forecast for the Denver and Boulder area. Friday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower to mid-80s. Friday night through Sunday, mostly clear with a 10% chance of thunderstorms. Lows 53 to 60. Highs 83 to 91. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows near 60. Monday, mostly sunny with a 10% chance of thunderstorms. Highs near 90. around northeast Colorado. Denver International Airport was fair. The temperature was 94 degrees, the dew point 30. The relative humidity 10%. The wind was variable at 5 miles an hour.
10% humidity? What the heck?
Aurora was 95 degrees. Centennial Fair. The temperature was 90. Boulder Fair. The temperature was 90. Fort Collins Loveland Airport. Fair and 95 degrees. The wind was variable at 7 miles an hour. Greeley Fair and 97. The wind was southeast at 8. Elsewhere in Colorado, Monument Hill Fair and 84. The wind was south at 18. Colorado Springs Fair and 89. The wind was southeast at 16, gusting to 24. Akron Fair and 94. The wind was southeast at 17, gusting to 28. Lyman Fair and 90. The wind was southeast at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 29. At Estes Park, it was 81 degrees. Copper Mountain Fair and 66. The wind was northwest at 7 miles an hour. Grand Junction Fair and 93. Some other observations: Cheyenne Fair and 91. North Platte Fair and 93. The wind was south at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 26. Goodland Fair and 91. The wind was south at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 28. Again, Denver International Airport was 94 degrees under fair skies. Here is the forecast for Boulder and the western Denver suburbs. Tonight, mostly clear. Areas of smoke. Lows near 60. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour and evening becoming light. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Areas of smoke through the day. A 30% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower to mid-90s. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then a chance of rain showers and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour in the evening becoming light. Chance of precipitation 50%. Thursday, thunderstorms likely. Highs near 80. Chance of thunderstorms 70%. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-50s. Here is the forecast for Denver. Tonight, mostly clear. Areas of smoke through the night. Lows in the lower to mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny.
All right, guys, so it sounds like it's time to eat. They just did dinner call. I'll get back with you guys if I hear anything more. For right now, this is Storm Spotter Curt Yowell. I'll be signing off.